would say that to me in front of... We can't bear his... We are free now. I cannot believe you would say that to me in front of our son. You are absolutely impossible!
Okay, we will get rid of him.
We can't bear his burden anymore. We are free now.
Yes, you are right. Bye-bye.
Just a little further. Stay focused. Oh no, careful now. Don't drop them.
This isn't good. They found us.
How could they have known we were here?
There you are, my little ones. Come inside, it's getting dark.
This is unacceptable behavior. You two are nothing but trouble.
But we didn't do anything. Please let us go.
Look at this! They raised the shoe polishing tax again! We're ruined!
Wow!
Amazing transformation.
We are so proud of your hard work. These new tablets will help you continue to explore and learn.
The foreclosure is final. We have to secure the property now.
Please, we have nowhere else to go.
We have heard enough deliberation on this matter. It is time for a decision.
200,000. I have 200,000. Looking for 250 now. Do I hear 250? Going once, going twice.
Look, there they are! This is going to be the best auction yet.
I can't wait to see what they have.
We have $1 million.
Thank you, sir.
Do I hear any advance on 1 million? Going once. Sold. And to these kittens for $10 lakh.
Yes, police?
I need to report old case of child abandonment.
Please don't take us. I didn't do anything.
My baby. Let me hold my baby.
Look, I know this is hard, but you need to tell me what happened. We can help you, but you have to be honest.
The mansion is now illegally your cess, Mom. It's in your name.